Hello, welcome in. Welcome to our apartment. Here's a little overview. Let me show you around. We originally liked this apartment because it's super bright, super open, and it has a ton of living space, which is really awesome to all hang out together. So let's start with the living room. We'll start with this corner. Me and Emily love sitting in this window seat so much. Right now we have some paintings drying that we just did. We have Emily's plant and plant stand that she got.
Wait, the boobs.
And this is just kind of our plant corner. We have a huge, beautiful monstera here, spider plant here, little mini palodendron up here, and then our bookshelf, which I designed this summer. I'm very proud of my color coordination. We have a really pretty print that my best friend got me, and then a really nice ottoman where we keep all of our blankets and scarves and random things. We have another plant right here. It's not doing the best. If anyone has any advice for keeping umbrella plants alive, please let us know. And then we just have our couch. Very basic couch. Don't know where it's from. We bought it from the people who lived here before us.
It's a great couch.
IKEA pillow, IKEA blanket. Fake tree that we still have decorated for Christmas. We might need to change that. Ladder comes in very handy. And then our mantle, which we also really like a lot because it's very nice and vintage. It's kind of funny. We have a little ceramic tile of God right here. And we just keep it full of plants. These are like all me and Emily's plants. And like, this is your friend, I think, right?
That's Megan's.
Yeah. We have a really pretty painting, Emily's light box, and then we have this armchair right here, which I love. Matthias is demonstrating how comfortable it is right now. He sits in here most days doing his homework, so this is very representative of what the apartment is usually like. We have this nice IKEA lamp. Gives a great warm glow.
Wow, this is such a nice macrame. Wow.
Yeah, that's Emily's macrame thing that she made.
I made it.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
may notice one thing about this apartment. There's not a ton of storage, so we've tastefully hidden many things behind this armchair. Behind there we have folding chairs, yoga mats, pong table, but you wouldn't know if you were just looking at it. And we have our coffee table.
An Emily Grant Facebook Marketplace find.
It's beautiful.
It's a really good story.
And then we also have Emily's little crocheted Triceratops boy and really pretty coasters. Sorry. And a very nice, pretty oriental rug, and then underneath we just keep kind of like games and books and things like that. We do have all of our shoes right here. We have a lot of shoes.
We have a lot of
Yeah, they're mostly my shoes. And then we keep all of our like reusable bags and like random things up here. Coats, our masks and keys are by the door. This is a buzzer that doesn't work, so we have to go down and let people in, which sucks. But let's move into the kitchen, one of my favorite parts of our house. It's really nice because it's all open. It's really great for entertaining. Not that we've ever had a dinner party because we've never lived in this apartment outside of COVID, but we have all open concept shelving, so it's all like glasses and stuff. Right against the brick wall, which is really pretty. We have a combo washer dryer right here. Does not work.
It's spectacular.
Does not work very well. It washes, it doesn't really dry, but at least we have one in the apartment, which is great. Fridge, oven, pretty standard kitchen array of things. Me and Emily have this step stool to reach the higher shelves because this apartment does have pretty high ceilings, which is great, but a little hard to reach sometimes. And that's pretty much it for this living area. Let's go into...
Oh, what's over here?
Oh, this is where the matcha whisk, the coffee cups, the French press, the milk foamer.
A plant.
A plant.
A
Nice
sign.
Yeah, brick wall too.
That's it. Oh, and some nice bows.
Yeah, that was a Christmas present from Emily to me, so thanks. Fridge, some nice pictures of the girls and the roommates. And then down into this hallway. So I don't spend much time down here because this is where Matthias and Emily live. Let's start with the bathroom right here on the right.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh!
Okay, let's go to the bathroom. This is a very spacious bathroom. No complaints here. Has the same brick wall coming through. It's not super special. Right directly here we have our shower. And then pretty basic array of bathroom essentials. We have this fake plant from IKEA. Emily's beautiful little Himalayan.
Wow, I wonder what it tastes like.
Himalayan salt night light. We actually have a bathtub in this apartment, which I guess I can like stand in it for scale.
How large is this standard bathtub?
We have a bathtub in this apartment, which is a pretty nice luxury. I've probably only taken 3 or 4 baths, but I don't think Matthias has taken a single bath.
I took one bath.
She's actually only bathed 3 times in the year.
We love this bathtub. It actually has jets. It's a really great luxury for a Montreal student apartment.
Ooh.
Then we have this huge IKEA wardrobe that just fits like all.
Oh, we don't need to look in there.
It's just like all of our shit is right in here. clothing rack right here for drying clothes, another little fake IKEA plant to keep this area green. And then I have some like blonde hair products up here that we just kind of slide back, pretend they don't exist. They're not quite needed anymore, as you may be able to imagine. All right, let's move into Matthias's room, and I'll let him take over this part of the tour.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
What an honor.
Oh, this is Emily's closet door.
Oh, you're so much taller. I can't get you in the
sort of script for this, but this is where I live.
Let's all come
Yeah,
in.
come on in. So this is my humble abode cave.
Ooh.
Yeah, we have a really nice desk.
Another Emily Facebook Marketplace find?
I was gonna give you credit, but yeah, Emily did find this for me. Bless her heart. We have a moose that Emily made for me. Emily's really carrying this whole room at this point. We have a nice lamp. Look at that. Lots of lighting, good for late night work sessions when I'm not on that big chair in the living room. My window, we have some plants. This one is named Seb. This one's named Fedward. Kieran's over here, but he's not doing so great, so we won't look at him right now. Yeah, he's a little shrivelly. We have my grad bear, Smooth 2018, shout out. Some books, some more books over here. All my clothes, which I stuffed into those drawers to clean up for this room tour. And yeah, that's about it. It's you know, it's a good place. Very, very cozy. Emily helped me decorate, that's why it doesn't look too terrible.
Matthias does have the smallest room, so he does pay the least in rent, which I can break down the rent at the end of the video, because I'm sure everyone's very
Oh my
interested.
gosh, we're gonna get roasted
Yeah,
for how living close to campus during a pandemic. It is what it is.
We're very smart.
We do have a nice little outdoor patio space. I guess I can show it.
Oh, it's so cold. Our heating bill is gonna go up $100.
It's negative 23 degrees today.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, heck yeah.
We do have a back deck in theory with a grill and a chair. It has about 2 feet of snow, I'd say. And then we have a little nice view of the fire escape, and like we can go up on the roof too, but it is very cold. Matthias, breath for demonstration.
Not allowed on the roof.
It's t-shirt weather.
Oh, you know what? Actually, we've never been to the roof, but we have dreamt about it. All right, let's move into Emily's room.
This used to be an E exclamation point that Alena put there while she missed me over the summer. Welcome to my humble abode. This is my favorite with all the plants. We got the art postcards from Montreal like this legal. We got the plants. We got just the book I'm reading, just classic, you know. I just love
You're so
reading
cultured,
for fun.
Emily.
We've got another Dali print. You know what they say about girls with 5 pillows?
What do they say about girls with 5 pillows?
They're crazy.
Yeah, holds up.
My mom made this. It's from the same book as the moose that I made Matthias. Then my
Cute.
mom also made this. I think in the last apartment tour it was in it. Candles, crystals, my dresser.
Cute.
Demo. Oh, this is cool. This was here before, and it holds all my shit. See, the funny thing is you wouldn't think that it's a full-length mirror for like, I don't know, an average person, but it's actually the same height as me, so it's perfect. My closet with no door, wonder why.
So we can see the exposed brick.
It actually is. My room is an extension, so it doesn't have as much brick, so I have this, and it makes me very happy. I saw something that said that these posters are the Gen Z equivalent of Live, Laugh, Love signs, so I don't know how I feel about that, but I think it's cute. Got,
Her iPad and laptop.
for those of you who aren't in the Faculty of Science and do the demo,
Oh god.
you don't have to keep that in there. I got this knob because this is an IKEA thing, but I think the knob really adds some spice.
It does look very nice. I'll just very briefly show my room because I do have actually a full in-depth room tour. I'll link it down below if you're more interested on how I transformed this space.
It's a great video. Go watch it.
My room gets a lot of light. I love it so much. It's my favorite. You can just do like a little pan around. I just have pictures, plants, mirror, desk, bed.
You have 2 Live, Laugh, Love posters.
And then, in my closet, I have it closed for this video because it's really messy and cluttered and full, and it just looks so much better when it's closed like that. But yeah, this is pretty much my room. I have a much more detailed video about it that I'll link below again.
If you stand in the right spot, you can see so many,
That is our entire apartment. I'll link last year's apartment tour down below because I also filmed one last year. This apartment is smaller, but I think we like it way better. It has such a nice open living space. We were really attracted to it for like the light, the open concept, the exposed brick.
the shutters.
Yeah, the shutters. It's a really classic Montreal apartment and we love it. Unfortunately, we are moving, which sucks because it's a great place, but on to better things. Some specs about this apartment: we live in the McGill Ghetto and we pay altogether.
This is math. Mental
Quick
math.
math. We pay $2,500 for this apartment, and we live in the McGill Ghetto, so it is more expensive.
And of course, the school's online.
Yeah,
so
we made a really great decision living in the McGill Ghetto.
Really good foresight.
Paying top dollar when we haven't been to campus in a year. Yeah, it's a great location. It's very central, close to campus, a bit pricier. Next year we are all moving into Patio, so that's all very exciting. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.
That was really solid, guys. Good work.